Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you hide my Snapchat score. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up Snapchat. Now, from here, tap on your profile picture on the upper left corner. And here you notice that this is your score. Now, if you want to hide your score from the general public, you can tap on the settings icon here. You can scroll down, and here under privacy control, tap on contact me. And here you can tap on friends. Now, if you choose everyone in Snapchat would actually see your Snapchat score. But if you choose only friends, then only your friends can see your Snapchat scores. So, however, there is no way that you can hide your Snapchat score from your friends. If you want to hide your Snapchat score from a specific friend, then you can delete that friend so that they will not see your Snapchat score. So, I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.